Dishwashers, how we love them. We bought our first dishwasher over 50 years ago, and at that time owning a dishwasher was an exception rather than a rule, but now most people have got them and they save that horrible, terrible task of having to wash and dry all those dishes, particularly if you had a party. Here's our dishwasher, tucked out of sight and out of mind. We bought this one some years ago and it's done a pretty good job, but eventually and gradually over the years, even though we've carried out regular maintenance like cleaning the filter, topping up the rinse aid and the salt, the performance of the dishwasher has deteriorated. And the usual sign of when it's really getting bad is when a plate is removed and there's bits of dried food all over it, which, because of the hot drying end of the program on this machine, tends to bake it on and makes it even more difficult to remove. However, even if you've carried out regular maintenance like clean the filter, etc., etc., there is something that you can do which will possibly make your dishwasher work like new again. It's very easy and it's very cost effective. If you look down inside your machine, you will find there are two rotors. This one at the bottom and one at the top. Eventually, as the years pass and the machine has carried out several thousand cycles of cleaning dishes, etc., these rotors will eventually wear. Now, they're not lubricated. Well, the only lubrication they do receive is soapy water and clean water, and so it's plastic, which the rotors are made of, against metal. Now, although the water does act as a lubricant, eventually they will wear, and eventually, particularly if you've got this type of rotor, even when it's brand new, it will eventually wear and come off, and you will find it laying in the bottom of the dishwasher when it's finished a cycle of cleaning. The same goes for the other part, which is just held on by a little clip which can be turned to release it sometimes, and that itself can wear and drop off. Also, the top one, which is held on in a similar way, will tend to come loose, and you'll probably find that it starts to tip, and when it does that, it's worn so much that so much of the water is actually escaping from the join between here and the top of the rack that it's losing pressure, and this is the reason why the dishwasher has lost efficiency. These two components are relatively easy to remove and are generally held on by just turning or removing this little circular plastic thing underneath. By replacing both of these components on this particular machine, these two cost £25. It's a job you can easily do yourself, and as long as the rest of the machine is working okay, it will restore it back to cleaning all your dishes like new. I hope this has been of use to you. Thank you.